And here we go. Right, day 4. Here's my input. That looks fun. Okay, giant squid. Alrighty. So we can see a giant squid and it wants to play bingo. Oh, fun. Numbers are chosen at random and all the chosen number is marked on all the boards where it appears. Okay. Bingo subsystem generates a random order in which to draw numbers and a set of boards. Okay. So here's our example. We have a bunch of boards and a bunch of numbers. After the first 5 numbers are drawn, 7, 4, no winners, but the boards are marked as followed. Okay, so I see we've marked still no winners. Finally, when 24 is drawn, the third board wins because it has at least one complete row of column of marked numbers. Wow. Okay. In this case, the entire top row is marked. Yes. The score of the winning board can be calculated. The sum of all unmarked numbers. Yes. In this case, the sum is 188. Then multiply that sum by the number that was just called when the board won. Figure out which board will win first. And then the final score is the sum of all unmarked numbers multiplied by the number that was just called. Okay. Oh my goodness. We've got some work to do. So let's have a bingo board. So let's see, how do we want to parse this? So of course the input is going to be a list of draws and boards. Draws and board. Draws is just a int list. And then the board, goodness, how do we want to represent this? I'm kind of thinking maybe just a like flatten these into a list. So it would be board is actually also going to be an int list. And I think we'll just say it's a list of exactly 25. But it might not be int. So we kind of need to have like a spot. So maybe that's like a data type. Cell is a cell where it has a value and oh goodness, and a marked, which is a bool. And board is going to be a cell. Okay. Parse. Oh my goodness. So this will be the draws board where so let's see. First we need draws section boards is going to be split paragraphs raw input. So that should give us the draws section and the boards. So what are the draws gonna? How do we split on? Okay, split on comma. Draws. So draws is gonna be split at. No, on. It might just be split. Yeah, split on comma because we don't have spaces. Draws section. Am I missing split? Ah, yes. Char. Draw section is a string. Split takes. Oh, this is complicated. We'll just do split on with a string. That's fine. And board. Map read. Okay, and then is actually just going to be map read and then words on boards. Is that right? No. Map. Value is going to be cell value false. And words. Yes. Oh, interesting. I don't know if that's how I would write that, but let's try it. So we'll do OC parse test. And let's make sure we save this. No. Show. Deriving. Yes, that's good. Okay, and so we have, there's our draws, that looks fine, and then we have 22, 13, 17, 11. I'm sure that's fine. I guess we could make sure. Okay. Boards. So those are our boards. That's our first board. Value boards. Value. Yes. Map. Value over the. Okay. So. Oh, and that was the first one, of course, but or the second one. 3, 15, 0, 2, 22. Okay, that looks good. So we have our board. So we need a way to tell if a board is like completed. So let's see. Board has bingo. Okay. Does Copilot have anything for me? Oh my goodness. Wow. So let's see. Let's see what this is. Rows. Why not a list literal? Over 0 to 4. Oh, I see. Cell, marked cell. I think I think this might be right. Yes, let's like clean this up. And it didn't clean up very well. Okay, it didn't clean up at all. Let's see. So rows is just like I'd rather just give it a list of indices. Bingo indices is going to be a list of its, and then let's see if it can bingo indices. So these are our rows. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, 4. And then we have columns. Yes. Diagonals. Okay, there's a better way to do that, but I am a fan of that. So board has bingo board is any, yes, any of, so let's see. If there are any of, I kind of don't like how this is written. I'd rather do like any map. Yeah, so this is going to turn bingo indices into a list of just like true or false, and then it's going to be map, and then it should be all, right? Is it every? No, all. It is all. Let's see. What is wrong with you? Bingo. Expression for. Any. Okay, wait, what are we giving out right now? Yuck, yuck, yuck. As bingo is any okay, bingo index to marked cell int board bool. Yes, marked so that's fine. Bingo index to marked cell. Bingo index list to marked cell list. Yes, map indices board. So that should be the other way. Board index. Okay, and we can just write this like this. I think that's fine. I'm just sort of making my way back up. Marked. And then we can get this out. Okay. So that will give us a list of bools. And then if we want this to just be bool, it should be all. I don't think all is right. Yes. And is what we want. That's the bit. And we don't need this. Oh, of course. Yes. And then instead of in all, it should be any of this, and then we apply this with bingo indices. Yes. So this doesn't need indices anymore. So this is what we want. Okay, that was too difficult, but I'm figuring it out. So what we need to do is take all the boards, and then we need also to be able to mark. So we need to mark int board. Let's see, mark IV, let's call it B, equals map mark cell board. Yes, where mark cell is, yes. And you want me to reduce, yes. V is map mark cell, yes. Okay, so we're parsing, we are able to mark a board, we're able to tell if a board has bingo. So let us solve the problem. So solve, we have draws board, is going to be let's also do sum of unmarked. Yeah, perfect. So we filter based on whether they're not marked. Set the values. Okay, Copilot is doing a good job. Okay, so now, so we'll use recursion. So we'll say, um, let draw equal um, draw next draws. Updated boards equal yes. In if any board has bingo updated boards, then it will be the, yeah, this is right. Okay, then it will be yes, the head of the updated boards. Does it tell us what to do if there's multiple winners? No, I think that's okay. Sum of marked times draw. Okay, sure. I think that looks fine. Let's try it out. 444? No, not at all. So let's see. Board. Board. Map. Let's see. Oh, we are doing it with the updated boards. So map. In this case, the entire top row is marked. Okay, so we should be able to see that. It'd be nice to be able to print out these boards. Oh, I shouldn't. But what if I did? We can at least make this better. Show cell where. Show V. Yeah, that seems good. Draws boards. Okay, that's better. I'm fine with that. So we need to try to run this. So draws. Oh no, we're doing this part. Draw next draws equals draws. Map mark draw board boards. What's wrong with that? Draw. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my goodness. Boards equals map from input. Boards as int. Not from input, from integral. Oh, that's not right. That's not right at all. Why are we having that problem? Boards. Okay. It's a cell. Yes, it's a list of cells. Boards. What's that called? Mark 0 boards. That seems to work. Mark 1. Mark 19. Okay, I think that's fine. So let's just try this again. So we have this. We have this. Let's rename this to boards. Why in the first argument of draw. Map, mark, draw boards. Where's that? Ah. As map from draws. Send into the list. Okay. Does that fix it? Okay, that must be a problem with my like testing setup. Is it is just like reinterpreting those uh, input types? I think I could probably fix that. Anyway, I don't need to. Just getting carried away. Updated boards, so oops. What is it doing? Map, mark, draw boards. That's concerning. Debug. Cell. Oh, this. Oh no. This is broken because of the show implementation. Oh, crud. That won't work with that show. Okay. That's fine. Yuck. Okay, that's fine. Whatever. Find out. Okay. So I need to. Gosh, what is going wrong? Is it this? It might be. I mean, these seem okay. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. I think these are correct. So that's not the problem. Board has bingo. All board bingo indices. That's fine. Mark. Int board. Yes, mark is fine. Parse is fine. Is sum of unmarked not fine? Marked. Give me the boards. There we go. 300. That seems right, right? That's the sum of sum. Yeah. Okay. Probably should know that. Oh my goodness, this is going poorly. Sum of all unmarked numbers on the board. So if any board has bingo, updated boards. Oh, we're not looking at the right board. We need the head filter board has bingo, updated boards. That's it. That's it. Test 494. That's not it. Int. Then sum of unmarked and draw. Let's try that. 247. That's not right. 2 is not right. Why do we think? We seem to be thinking that there's something done after. To fix this again. Let's actually fix that. We need to put debug. Actual debug where input equals parse result Okay. Good. Oh my gosh. So let's try running through this. So draws boards. Draw, next draw, draws, draw 7. Boards equals map, mark, draw, boards. Let's see them. Sure, we marked the 7s. Any board has bingo boards? No. Then we'll let's see, draws, updated boards, draws, boards equals next draws, updated boards. Then what do we need to do? 5. Nope. 4. No. And let's just check our boards. So we've now marked 7. We should have also marked 4. We find a 4. This would be easier. Let's see. Print cell. String. I don't know. Do we still? No. A better way to do this. So draws boards. So let's see. If we just do 247 and 2. Solve unmarked. Any board has bingo. Let's just have it print out the winning board. Input board. Head. And then so I'll just then board has bingo. Updated boards. Then head of that. Okay, and then let's do map print cell. Ooh. So what do we have? Which one is this? 14. It's this one. 14, 21, 17. And then, so board has bingo is true. So board has bingo must be what's wrong. Because this is not a bingo. So let's see. What do we see? 17 has a star. Why does 17 have a star? Did we already mark that? No. Wait a minute. Draw, next draws. Oh wait, we were getting 2, right? Yeah. So we've marked 7, 4, 9, 5, 11, and 2. So we haven't marked 0, 14, and 21. So let's check with this. 0, so we haven't marked 14 and 21. We've marked 17, we've marked 4. We haven't marked any until 9, 23, 11, 5, 2, 0. And we haven't marked the 0, 7. Okay, so that's right. So why are we seeing partition? Let's see. Break a board of 25 into. Show me how to do it. Chunks of. Okay. Short split chunks of. How do I do that? That's fine. It's just and then to it char it God print let's stir it. So word to 5 by 5. Words. Okay. There we go. So what are we? That does look like a bingo. Oh my god, we don't have diagonal. Diagonals don't count. Wow, reading is hard. Okay. So I bet let's get back to what we should be returning. And we'll multiply instead. 4512. Yes. Oh my goodness. If only I could read. We got a gold star. Great. On the other hand, we should let the giant squid win. Okay, yes. The second board is the last to win. Okay. Oh, we can do this pretty easily. Good. Let's clean this up. Yes. So we don't need this. So solve B, and then if. So what we're gonna do is non-bingo boards is filter that, yes. If length if length is 0, no, is 1, and head non-bingo boards. Sum of unmarked numbers. No, if it's 0, then the sum of unmarked, the head of the updated boards. Presumably there was only one left. I guess we will assume that. And this could be empty or null, is what it's gonna tell me. Let's see if that's right. No, that's the same thing. Next draws non-bingo boards. That's still the same thing. Filter the ones that don't have bingo. Solve B. Is that really happening? That doesn't seem right. 4512 was our value from before. Should be 1924 now. So let's see. if you were to keep playing till this point. Some of unmarked. The first updated board. Non-bingo boards is only the ones that don't have bingo of the updated boards. Oh my goodness. Why don't we call solve B? 1924, yes. So there's our answer. Very good. Okay, well, there it is done. Had some challenges with reading comprehension, but overall, I think it went all right. I would probably want to clean this up. There's definitely better ways to do this. Like, in fact, we could do, let's see. So this would be like 1 to 4, no, 0 to 4. Oh my goodness. Map plus n 0 to 4 for n 0, 5, 20. Yep. And then it would be map plus n. Yeah. I think that's right. Is that still... Ooh. Rows. Pose rows. Can we get it? Data.list transpose. That one. Right. Does that still work? B. A. Oh. Oh. Wait. Oh no. That was right. I think. That was right. Okay. Well, I might do a little bit more cleanup, but I think we've got something. I feel all right with this. I guess maybe tomorrow will go a little bit better, and I will read the problem more closely. But if you stuck around this whole time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.